Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today our topic is about how to create and manage collections in Shopify. So first of all, open your app and click the products icon. Okay, here is the option of collection. Click the options and click the add button. So I want to add a title of wrist watches. Okay, description like okay, I added the description and remove the auto button. Okay, remove the automatic select products button. Okay, and here it is done. Click the tick icon and the wrist watches is added into your collection. So go to any product, like here I have a wristwatches product, and go to more detail and go to the collection icon and click tick. Okay, and click tick. Okay, and product is saved. Okay, look. Okay, here one product is in your wristwatches collection. So you can also add more collection buttons and a product to this collection. Hope you like the video. Stay tuned for more tutorial. Thanks for watching. Take care.